Hello Sky Buddy. Ready to watch this super cool sky phenomenon in April? You guys must be curious, right? The same rare phenomenon that will make the sky smile. Well, in the morning of Friday, April 25th, we will be treated to a super unique view. Venus, Saturn, and the crescent moon will gather together in the sky before dawn and form a formation triangle that looks like a smiling face. Really cool, right? In the world of astronomy, this phenomenon is called triple conjunction. Well, the thin crescent moon will appear a little lower and a bit to the north. This view can be seen from anywhere in the world, as long as the weather is favorable. But remember, the duration will be very short. This happens when three celestial bodies seem to gather, and it looks really close to each other from our perspective on Earth. That makes it even more special. Their formation will form a smile in the sky. Venus will appear highest above the eastern horizon, while Saturn is lower. This is the perfect time to observe celestial objects that are usually hard to see: kayak nebula, galaxies, and star clusters. Plus, even though we can't see the moon, that day was actually a supermoon law. This happened because the moon is at its closest point to the Earth. According to Culbertson, this phenomenon will occur about 5:30 in the morning, and the sun will publish approximately 1 hour after. For those who want to witness directly, make sure you have access to the horizon east, clean of obstacles. Yes, although the peak has passed on the 21st until April 22nd, but you can still see the rest of her meteoric rain from 10 past 30 minutes at night until 5 a.m. local time, which makes April even more exciting. This conjunction came after the peak of the Lyrat meteor shower. And wait a minute, there are other bonuses. April 27th, we're going through a new moon phase that makes the sky super dark. Make sure you are ready with a camera or a telescope to capture this rare moment. And for those who don't follow this channel, let's press the subscribe button right now. Let me not miss the exciting info about other celestial phenomena. See you in the next video. So get ready, record the date, and don't miss it.